Hello guys, magandang araw. Magkakabit tayo ngayon ng fire alarm panel. So ano ba ang fire alarm system panel? Ito ay the panel receive information from devices designed to detect and report fires. So monitor the operation integrity and provide for automatic control of equipment and transmission of information necessary to prepare the facility for fire based on a predetermined sequence. The panel may also supply electrical energy to operate any associated initiating devices, notification appliances, control transmitter, or relay. There are four basic types of panel: coded panel, conventional panel, addressable panel, and multiplex system. Thanks for watching guys.